Have you ever felt stuck in life, like nothing is going your way? Imagine waking up tomorrow and deciding that today is the day you completely transform your life. No excuses, no delays, just one powerful mindset shift that can set everything on fire and put you in control today. I'm going to show you how to fix your entire life in just one day. And trust me, it's possible if you take action. Stay with me till the end because these steps are do or die and could change everything. Life doesn't have to feel overwhelming, chaotic, or out of control. The truth is, the biggest changes often come from small, decisive actions. By focusing your mind, breaking limiting habits, and following a proven process, you can reset your priorities, your energy, and your focus in just one day. This isn't about magic, it's about mindset, discipline, and taking massive, intentional action. Today, I'll guide you through 5 powerful steps that can set you on the path to a new life. Many of us live on autopilot. We get distracted by social media, stuck in routines that don't serve us, and allow negative thoughts to dictate our actions. We procrastinate, make excuses, and blame circumstances instead of taking control. Over time, this builds frustration, regret, and a feeling of being trapped. But the good news is that awareness and deliberate action can break this cycle in a single day if you commit fully. Actionable steps to fix your life: 1 morning reset. Start fresh, wake up early, and take 30 minutes just for yourself. Meditate, journal, or plan your day intentionally. Set your intentions clearly. Today is your day to take control. This clears mental clutter and sets a decisive tone for the entire day. To identify and eliminate distractions, cut the noise, turn off notifications, step away from social media, and remove anything that steals your focus. Spend this day fully immersed in what truly matters. Because your energy is limited, don't waste it on things that don't move you forward. Point 3. Prioritize core goals. Focus on what matters. Write down the 1 to 3 most important things that will make the biggest difference in your life. Whether it's finishing a project, improving your health, or repairing relationships, focus exclusively on these high-impact actions today. Take immediate action. Do or die. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start now. Even small actions compound into massive results. Break your tasks into bite-sized steps and complete them decisively. Momentum is built through action, not planning. 5. Mindset shift. Own your power. Replace negative thoughts with empowering ones. Tell yourself, I am capable, I am strong. I can change my life today. Your internal dialogue shapes your reality. Believe it, and the world begins to follow. 6. Reflection and adjustment. Evaluate and improve at the end of the day. Spend 10 to 15 minutes reflecting on what you accomplished. What worked, what didn't. Write it down and adjust for tomorrow. Growth happens when you learn and adapt consistently. 7. Commit to consistency. One day is just the start. Today is a catalyst, but real transformation comes from consistent application. Make a promise to yourself to repeat these steps daily and watch as your life changes dramatically over time. Let me tell you about Mia, who felt trapped in a dead-end job, overwhelmed by bills, and stuck in negative thought patterns. One morning, she decided she couldn't wait any longer. She woke up early, eliminated distractions, focused on her priorities, and took bold action on a business idea she had been procrastinating for years. By the end of that day, she had a clear plan, actionable steps, and a newfound confidence. Within months, her life had completely transformed. She had a new mindset, new opportunities, and the proof that one day of commitment can truly change everything. Now it's your turn. Pick at least one of these steps and commit to doing it today. Comment below which step you're starting with and share your progress as you notice real change. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more motivational strategies to transform your life. Remember, your life doesn't have to be a reflection of past mistakes or missed opportunities. With the right mindset, focus, and decisive action, you can reset everything in just one day. Commit fully, act intentionally, and own your power. Your future self will thank you for the choices you make today. The journey to a stronger, more empowered, and unstoppable you starts now. Don't wait, act, and transform your life today.